Nightingale Vibes with no fee is all for you at VTMMP.
Nightingale Vibes, Nightingale
The nightingale
Vibes.
sings, whistles and pop as butterflies land on top of flowers to see what's in store and who hear voices roar. Nightingales be forever here with songs so clear and always pure, singing proud songs of VTMMP for wavelengths and yes, including me. Nightingales be here like VTMMP too, bringing joy to listeners. It's what we do. Being tall and proud, sing your song very loud. Let everyone listen, notice, and stand to see who's singing like a true fan of VTMMP with Ms. H as host. Mom's Minute Podcast is from coast to coast. Liking the songs of the nightingales, take a pause even from your emails to revel in Nightingale Vibes if you can, on air, ocean, sea, or dry land. Come with me and feel the song of the Nightingale Vibe. It won't be long, just stay an hour and no more. Ms. H has for you an open door to VTMMP. Nightingale Vibes with no fee is all for you at VTMMP. It's true, Nightingale Vibes will be everlasting for you and for you.